Hi everyone, and either welcome to or welcome back to the channel. Recently flew out to Las Vegas, and we flew out with British Airways in the Club World cabins. There's a video on the pop-out banner above now if you want to have a look at the flights and see what the Club World has to offer. However, today's video is mainly about the Venetian and our recent stay there. So I've been to Vegas a few times now. Well, truth be told, a few more than a few times. And a Venetian hotel has always been a bit of a standout hotel. Every part of it that I've been in is very grand, very luxurious, and quite frankly, pretty close to overwhelming really. What you can see now is the check-in area, very grand, very luxurious, very opulent. Attention to detail is just phenomenal. I mean, look at those ceilings. And this carries on through the rest of the hotel, or the areas I've seen of the hotel. So I've kind of wanted to stay here for a little while now. We'd had an awful lot of cancellations throughout COVID, so we'd actually built up a bit of credit that enabled us to book a one-bedroomed grand suite. It was up on the 34th floor. Incredibly impressive room, to be honest. I dare say I'd love to see what the bigger rooms than this even look like. So this was us, suite 34204, pretty close to the top floor. And I always think, you know, you've made it in Vegas when you'd always got two doors into it. So you come through into a nice open kind of welcome room, and I'll pretty much let you walk through the video as you see it. Just here on the right you've got a bit of a powder room, and then the video will take you through the rest. Just on the left here you've got a little mini bar, wet bar type thing. Obviously a sink. Just beneath the sink you've actually got an empty fridge, which means you can put all of your stuff in that. I certainly prefer that rather than the pressure sensitive mini bars that you see a lot in Vegas, although this room did have one of those also. And then just a little bit of storage as well, so it's pretty well designed if you were going to kind of live in there or bring your own things into the room. And then a dining table on the right here. Yeah, we didn't use that for the whole trip. And then there is loads and loads of storage dotted around, so that you often with hotel rooms you struggle to find places to put things. Not the case with this grand one bedroom suite. And then just on the left here you've got the first of the three televisions in the room. So if you were sat eating at the dining table, you would be able to either have music on or have the TV on. This kind of island, I suppose, is a bit of a jut out bar or something like that. An office area just in front of us now. And then you kind of swing round into the main seating area or lounge area, where the second TV of the suite is up the end there. And then just through the doorways here, you work your way through into the bedroom part of the suite. Really nice, big, huge bed. You can't really tell it from here just because of the size of the room. It's an ginormous bed. Third TV there for the suite. You can enter this bedroom from either the door we've just come in or directly just past the wet bar area if that's the way you choose to come. Again, loads of space, loads of storage, very comfortable bedroom, quite a nice place to be. Nice dressing area for those who want to spend a bit of time getting ready going out in the evening. And again, another great big closet in front of us now. Well, it is what it is, it's a closet really, but it also houses the mini safe as well. So if you do need to store valuables, etc., just pop them in that safe. And then finally you work your way into the bathroom. As you can see, it's absolutely huge. Double sinks, loads of room to spread out with your toiletries or whatever it may be. Loads of mirrors around, arguably too many mirrors, and it does give you the awkward position of being able to look at yourself from every angle in one head tilt. Yeah, not the pleasantest of things for me to look at, if I'm honest. Great big shower, lovely sunken jacuzzi, hot tubby, bath there, and then a private toilet. So if you are sharing a bathroom, there is kind of that added level of privacy, which I always find particularly welcoming. So overall, look, it's a lovely suite. It's a great suite, in fact. If anything, maybe a little bit too big. We stayed here for a week and really enjoyed our time. I really enjoyed the Venetian. I was a bit nervous that it might be a bit too far north on the strip and was worried how it might connect through. But actually, if I'm honest, it wasn't too bad and it's pretty well situated really. cracking hotel, cracking stay. It's not the cheapest in the world, if I'm brutally honest with you all, but it is a very nice place to stay. That pretty much finishes the room tour as we're back to the main entrance. But just before you go, just want to show you kind of some of the other features in the room that might help you as you come in to stay at the Venetian. In fact, it's not just the Venetian, there's a number of hotels that got them, the Vidara and Aria certainly. So to operate the blinds and the windows, there's normally these little wall plates. It simply says blackout and shade and up and down, and you select which ones you want and press up and down. I really wouldn't recommend tugging all of the blinds just in case they are electric. Have a good explore around, really. So you just press the buttons up and down, and that's what happens automatically. And then just to finish the video off, we'll walk you over to have a look at the view from the 34th floor of the Venetian. Unfortunately, it wasn't a strip view, so you're looking out away from the strip, but a nice view nonetheless. I hope this video has been useful for you and helped you form an opinion about the Venetian, whether it be good, bad or indifferent. We had a lovely stay and I would recommend it. I hope the video has been useful. If it has, please leave a like or a comment, and please feel free to subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Thank you. See you next time.